Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can easily use Fera product reviews app in your Shopify store. So let's start. The first thing what I will do, I will just easily install it. And I created a new store exactly for the apps tutorial, so you can see step by step how it works, and install application. Now when you're gonna have it, it's going to create an account for you. And you have to wait for a while until this like orange thing is going to load. And here it goes. So confirm data. Let's say I'm consultant, confirm. You just choose if you're a developer or a consultant there. And here we go. So skip tour, I will show you how you can actually do it. So when you come here, you need to add or import existing reviews. Then let's skip this step. You need to show widget on your site, such as a review list or rating page on your site. So let's click show widget here, straight away on getting started. And now what do you like to show? Reviews, ratings, testimonials, photos and videos, shopper events, shopper counters, logos. So let's say I'm going to add my reviews here. And now show for each product of all reviews, product or all reviews. Let's go with product. Again, you choose it by yourself which one you want. And now you see it right here. You can change and add the customer reviews, store section where you want to have it, product pages or home pages, automatic, how you like to choose a location, automatic point and click, HTML tag, and then when you go further, you see have custom styles here, change a background color, etc. And settings here, I don't have any reviews, so you won't see too much here. But here you can hide entire block when there are no reviews. And then you have trigger here. When shopper page on, when shopper is on site for like let's say 10 seconds, then you will see reviews. So this is how the product reviews works. What is really great, you need to like test it out by yourself. Actually check it out, you know. So this is how the product review works. And this is how you can add like whatever widget you want. So when you come here to dashboard, or to content, you would see the reviews here, the testimonials, photos and videos, events and submissions. When I'm going to click on reviews, I can add a customer review here. And you can import it from Judge Me, Stamped, Shopify reviews, Luxio. So I can add manually, like this one here, heading, rating, click add. Click add, and now we have the review here. Now when I would go to widget, I would add a widget here. And then you would have, let's say I'm going to add ratings. You can have it for product ratings. And again, you choose if you want it for store or just for the product. And you would start right here, and one customer review, this one here, and it's going to load for a while, but this is how you can do it. And now you can edit those custom styles here, right? So same thing when I would delete it. Again, I can add a widget, new one, and simply add shopper counters, logos here, shopper events, or just reviews. So yeah, this is pretty much it how it works. Then you have campaigns here. Automatically adds new customers for reviews. So I'm gonna click new campaign. And here primarily goes reviews or photos and videos. And you can disable video uploads, because let's say I want to have just reviews with photo uploads, incentive, add incentive, and I can add, like, provide them discount. So 5 euro off or 5% off, that's really good. And then when to send, 14 days after order is being fulfilled. And then you have like message customization here, how it's going to actually look like. And this is what they're going to get. Now you can click also here to research and see the shopper journey here, an order journey, and you can create A/B test also, but you need to upgrade it, right? So this is pretty much it, how it works. You can have also campaign, which is going to be one time, not automatic, and you can see send messages here. But this is pretty much it, how it works, and this is how you can work with it in Fera. So yeah, the widgets are the best thing. You can really play around it. So come here and click just ratings here. Or you can come here to testimonials or photos and videos. On product page, and you just simply edit it. You change the store section here, location page, and heading and source. You can also what you can show or no. Change the design here. So I'm going to preview it. See, it's on the left top. Close preview. So that's pretty much it, how we do it. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. You know how it goes, you know how it is. So yeah. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.